Hello. So, yesterday we were talking about how not to be judgmental. But the pressure of being judged, it's a very big pressure. So, don't take that pressure. There's an easy way out. You have to just realize that you cannot please people every time because the person who is judging you, uska ek mindset hai. So, you think that by any way you'll be able to change that mindset. He will believe whatever he is feeling that he should believe, and any of your actions will not change his belief. So don't waste your energy in that. Be yourself, don't be fake, be true to yourself and be what you are. खातिरदारी की कोई end नहीं होती. Like my papa used to say, there was a person, he always like used to get criticized. मतलब अपने आप को बिछा भी देता था ना, तो लोग उसको कभी अप्रिशिएट नहीं करते थे. ही यूज टू डू एवरीथिंग पॉसिबल टू प्लीज पीपल विथ ऑल हिज हार्ट, बट ऑल ही गॉट वाज क्रिटिसिज्म एंड जजमेंट्स ऑल हिज लाइफ. सो देन ही थॉट कि एक दिन मैं अपने आप को प्रूव करके रहूँगा. हाउ ही डिड? सो जो सामने वाला बंदा उसको क्रिटिसाइज करने जा रहा था, करता रहता था, उसको somebody was coming to shoot him, and then when he saw that somebody is trying to shoot him, he really jumped and took that bullet on his chest, and then he died instantly. So what happened in trying to please that person, in trying to gain applaud from that person, he actually died. And जो बंदा था जिसको उसने बचाया, what he said कि साला बीप था, मेरे को धक्का भी तो मार सकता था, सीने पे गोली लेने की क्या ज़रूरत थी. सो उसकी कोई एंड नहीं होती. आप दूसरों के थॉट प्रोसेस से डील करना बंद कर दो, उसको चेंज करना बंद कर दो, अपने थॉट प्रोसेस को इंजीनियर करना चालू करो. जस्ट ट्राई एंड वर्क ऑन योर सेल्फ लेवल, एंड देन यू सी हाउ हैप्पी कैन लाइफ कैन बिकम. लाइक आई हैव सीन मैनी पीपल, आई हैव सीन माई सेल्फ. व्हेन यू री इंजीनियर योर थॉट्स, व्हेन यू री इंजीनियर the way, don't look for appreciation from outside. First appreciate yourself. Like looking for appreciation from anybody else means that you're not happy yourself, you're not satisfied by your own self. Don't, again I said yesterday, don't become narcissist, be humble always. Okay, these things doesn't come by like if you keep on bogging, मैंने ये किया, मैं वो हूँ, मैं वो हूँ. So it will not make you happy, and even people around you will be irritated a bit. So better just keep smiling, and like I said, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जियो, जो है समा कल हो ना हो.